Okay, good morning students. Last class we have discussed about the structure of XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. What is the structure and hybridization of XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6? So mainly XeF2 structure linear shape and XeF2 sp3 d1 hybridization. Already we know that. At the same time, XeF4 contain sp3 d2 hybridization and square planar structure. Last one XeF6. So XeF6 sp3 d3 hybridization and distorted octahedral shape. Now today class we have discussed about remaining structures. Now first of all, structure of XeO3. Structure of XeO3. So overall, what is the first point? In XeO3, central atom is xenon. Okay, central atom, which atom? Xenon is the central atom. What is the outer shell electronic configuration? So, outer shell electronic configuration of the xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. Okay, 5s2, 5p6, 5d0 is the outer shell electronic configuration of xenon. Okay, we write for a orbital. So ground state 5s orbital contain 2 electrons. So next 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d orbital 0. Okay, in ground state 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d orbital 0. Overall, xenon trioxide contain how many oxygen atoms? 3 oxygen atoms. Okay, so each oxygen atom contain 2 single electrons. Each oxygen atom contain 2 single electrons. Suppose oxygen, how many electrons? 8 electrons. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 is the electronic configuration of oxygen. So outer shell 2p4 orbital 1 1 1 it is filled. Okay, 1 1 1 it is filled. So how many single electrons? 2 single electrons. Overall, each oxygen atom contain 2 single electrons. 3 oxygen atoms contain 6 single electrons. 6 single electrons. We have mass required excited state of xenon. Okay, so now excited state of xenon, 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p orbital 6 electrons, 5d 0. Already we know that. Listen, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d. Okay, 5p orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 5d orbital. 5p orbital of another electron is jumped to 5d orbital. This is second excited state. In third excited state, 5p orbital of another electron is jumped to 5d orbital. Okay, so first excited state, 5pz orbital is orbital of electron is jumped to 5d. Second excited state, 5py orbital of electron is jumped to 5d. Third excited state, 5px orbital of electron is jumped to 5d orbital. So in this third excited state, xenon atom contain 6 single electrons. Okay, xenon atom contain how many single electrons? 6 single electrons. These 6 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 6 single electrons of 3 oxygen atoms to form XeO3. So how to form XeO3? 6 single electrons of xenon atom bonded with 6 single electrons of 3 oxygen atoms to form XeO3. Okay, XeO3. What is the formation of XeO3? So XeO3 formation, this is the 5s orbital, 5p orbital, next 5d orbital. So 2 electrons, 1 1 1 1 1 1. Overall 6 single electrons of 3 oxygen atoms is bonded with 6 single electrons of xenon atom to form XeO3. So here how many bond pairs and how many lone pairs? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 pairs is participate in the bond formation. So these are 6 pairs bond pairs, but one pair is does not participate in the bond formation. So that is the lone pair. Overall bond pairs 6, lone pairs 1. Bond pairs 6 and lone pairs 1. What is the structure? So here xenon is the central atom. 3 oxygen atoms is attached with double bond. Okay, it's contain one lone pair. That lone pair is indicated with the orbital. Okay, so overall double bond, double bond, double bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond. It is 6 bonds, 3 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. Okay, 1 sigma, 1 pi, 1 sigma, 1 pi, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Overall 3 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. So these 3 bonds, pi bonds, these 3 bonds, sigma bonds. Okay, these 3 bonds, pi bonds, these 3 bonds, sigma bonds. Overall pi bonds is weak bonds, sigma bond is strong bond. Sigma bond or strong bond only we have considered the hybridization, but pi bond does not consider the hybridization. Okay, so overall what is the hybridization of XeO3? It is a sp3 hybridization only. The sp3. So it is pi bond. It does not consider. Pi bond is weak bond. Okay, only what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization with pyramidal shape. Okay, pyramidal shape. What is the shape? Pyramidal shape. Okay, listen. What is the structure of XeO3? In XeO3, central atom is xenon. The outer shell electronic configuration of xenon is 5s2, 5p6, 5d0. We write for a orbital, 5s orbital 2 electrons, 5p6, 5d0. Each oxygen atom contains 2 single electrons. 3 oxygen atoms contain 6 single electrons. So we have mass required excited state. In third excited state, its xenon atom contain 6 single electrons. These 6 single electrons is bonded with 6 single electrons of 3 oxygen atoms to form XeO3. Okay, so this is the formation of XeO3. It's contain 6 bond pairs and next 1 lone pair. Next further, xenon is a central atom. The xenon is attached with 3 oxygen atoms with a double bond. So it contains 1 lone pair. That lone pair is indicated with indicated for a orbital. So what is the structure? Pyramidal shape. Okay. So here 3 pi bonds and 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. So this pi bonds is weak bond. Does not consider the hybridization. Overall sp3 hybridization. So it is the structure of XeO3. Next further we are discuss about the structure of XeOF4. XeOF4. Okay, listen. So next, what is the structure? Structure of XeOF4. Structure of XeOF4. Listen. So as it is in XeOF4, central atom is xenon. Okay, in XeOF4, central atom is xenon. What is the outer shell electronic configuration? So 5s2, 5p6, 5d0 is the outer shell electronic configuration of xenon. So we write for a ground state for a orbital, 5s orbital, 5p orbital, next 5d orbital. 5s orbital contain 2 electrons, 5p orbital contain 6 electrons, 5d 0. So XeOF4 contain 1 oxygen atom and 4 fluorine atoms. Each oxygen atom contains 2 single electrons and each fluorine atom contains 1 single electrons. Okay, 4 fluorine atoms contain 4 single electrons. So total 6 single electrons. Listen, each oxygen atom contains 2 single electrons. Each fluorine atom contains 1 single electron. So 4 fluorine atoms contain 4 single electrons. 2 plus 4, total 6 single electrons. We have mass required excited state. So excited state of xenon is 5s orbital, 2 electrons, 5p orbital, 6 electrons, 5d orbital, 0. Overall, in first excited state, 5p orbital of 1 electron jumped to 5d. In second excited state, 5p orbital of another electron jump to 5d. In third excited state, another electron is jumped to 5d orbital. In third excited state, xenon atom contain total 6 single electrons. These 6 single electrons of xenon atom is bonded with 6 single electrons of 1 oxygen atom, 4 fluorine atoms to form XeOF4. What is the formation of XeOF4? So it is the 5s orbital. Next, it is the 5p orbital, 5d orbital, 1 1 1. So these 6 electrons is bonded with another 6 electrons. Here, how many bond pairs and how many lone pairs? 6 pairs is participate in the bond formation. So overall bond pairs 6. Only one pair is does not formation in the bond. Okay, so that lone pair only one. What is the structure? What is the structure? Xenon is the central atom. 4 fluorines is attached with 4 corners with a single bond or sigma bond. 1 oxygen atom is attached with a double bond. Okay, 1 oxygen atom is attached with a double bond. It contains 1 lone pair. So at the same time, this lone pair is we have indicated with the orbital. So it is a square pyramidal structure. Square pyramidal structure. Listen, how many sigma bonds? How many pi bonds? 1 sigma, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all single bonds. Single bonds means sigma bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma. Okay. Next further double bond. Double bond means 1 sigma, 1 pi bond. So total 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. So only it is 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond. Remaining all sigma bonds. So what is the hybridization? sp3d2 only. D2. So last one pi bond, weak bond. That does not consider that hybridization. Okay. So sp3d2 hybridization with a square pyramidal shape. It is a structure of XeOF4. Next, last one. What is the US of noble gases or inert gases? What is the US of noble gases or inert gases? So now first US of noble gases or inert gases. First one, helium. Helium. So helium is very important and useful element. It is mainly available from natural gas. It is also available at the sun and stars also. Okay, so helium is mainly used in diving apparatus. Diving apparatus with oxygen. Okay, so our oxygen cylinders. Oxygen cylinders. Okay, so for diving apparatus with oxygen. Commonly, helium is easily soluble in blood. Okay, so why to use helium element in oxygen cylinders. This helium is easily soluble in our human blood. So due to this reason, we have used diving apparatus. Okay, it is use of helium. Next further, neon. So neon is also mainly available element at present in atmosphere. This neon is mainly used for different types of bulbs. So which type of bulbs? Mainly we have used advertising. Okay, advertising main purpose bulbs. Okay. Next further, this neon element is used for just like botanical gardens or green gardens. Okay, so botanical gardens and green gardens. At the same time, advertising boards. It is also different colors of bulbs is used for just like advertising boards. Okay, it is a use of neon. Next, last one, argon. So argon is also very important and useful element. It is also used for in different types of bulbs. At the same time, it is used in metallurgy. Okay, to extraction of metal. Okay, in metallurgy as a inert gas. Inert gas. Okay, so what is the use of argon? Argon is also mainly used in different types of bulbs. At the same time, it is mainly used in metallurgy to extract the metals. Okay, it is used as a inert gas. Okay, it is the use of helium, neon, and argon. Okay, it is mainly helium is used mainly which apparatus? Diving apparatus. Next, second one, neon is mainly used for just like advertisement boxes or boards, and it is mainly used for in botanical gardens or green gardens. Argon is mainly used for different types of bulbs. At the same time, it is used in metallurgy to extract the different metals. Okay, this is the 8th group elements or 18th group elements. It is a very important chapter. So mainly to preparation of XCF2, XCF4, XCF6 preparations and reaction with water molecules and structures. At the same time, preparation of XeO3, XeOF4 and structure of XeO3 and XeOF4. So these are all very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay.